So you've bought yourself a Hyundai Kona petrol, hybrid or electric that has an electronic tailgate. And you're probably wondering, how on earth do I stop it from hitting a low level ceiling or roof, maybe at your workplace or maybe in your garage? Now, with this new car, all you need to do is open the boot, press that button to stop it wherever you want to have it open or closed to at its highest. If you need to adjust it, just pull down on this handle, push and hold that button a couple of times until you hear a beep. So those two beeps there will tell you that it's now been reprogrammed. So when you push it, it will close down. And then when you go to open it, it will now open to that max height that you've just set, saving your boot from getting a scratch or two from hitting whatever was a little bit too low that made you change this setting in the first place. Now, should you need to restore the settings and go back to normal or change the height, all you need to do is push the boot to the top. Once it's at its max open, push and hold this, or the desired height, doesn't have to be the whole way. Wait till you hear those couple of beeps and press that, and there you go. It's as easy as that to program the opening height for your electronic tailgate on your Hyundai Kona petrol, hybrid or electric in the 2024 model. For more great tips, make sure you subscribe to this page so that we can keep bringing you more and more information that helps you have a better ownership experience.